Bro, guys, Typical Plus literally tried bribing me to get rid of the video where it shows him scamming. He literally said, I'll give you Chromaseer if you delete it. No, bro. He came back to the server. He's trying to bribe me to delete the video. I just want Sebi to get his items back. But yeah, guys, I'm just waiting. Dead can't talk, so he probably can't hear me. But yeah, no. This vid's gonna be funny. I'm just gonna record for the next 15 minutes and see what other dumb stuff he has the guts to say. Come on, scammer. You literally scammed him. Oh, wait. No, I didn't turn it on in time. That's sad. That's really sad. You're 11 and you're a scammer? No, that's not okay. You can't do that. First of all, you literally just tried bribing me to delete the video. Oh, you're 17. I could literally rock you in real life. Like, no joke, that's how mad I am at you right now. Like, come on, you're not supposed to scam, bro. You scammed his items. If you got, like I told you in the last video, if you look at my other videos, most of this stuff, not this stuff, but definitely this, was in Sebi's inventory. He was donated a lot of these items.
Mañana que vayamos allá con el señor Oscar y con Saúl, para ir también con el señor.
You're a scammer, bro. It's not cool. Scamming's not cool. You're not gonna get anywhere by scamming. Hold on, let me reset because he might be saying stuff. I put on lobby mode just so we can debate with this guy. I don't like people who scam. If you guys please don't scam and don't get scammed. Like I'm gonna say this once because it's the reality. I'm probably one of the nicest people on the game. Just because I trust people and people trust me doesn't mean you trust people. Because I know it may seem it works like that, but it doesn't work like that. I just happen to be super, super nice when it comes to this game because I don't like scamming people. But just because I trust people and they trust me doesn't mean you trust other people. Get a real MM. No, that's too mean. Aww. Rip bio. Aw, then he got hacked because it's the truth. Yeah, that's why you scam. Don't scam. Just because it's a virtual game doesn't mean you can scam. No, you're not supposed to scam just because, oh, just because it's a virtual game I can scam. No. 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 You scammed. Give me Sebi stuff. Yes, typical is obvious. $12K. 12K views. No. See, look, he's literally admitting to scamming. No. Give me Sebi's items that you scammed. See, he knows I'm right. He knows he's shaking. He scammed him. No. Give me Sebi's stuff, because guys, Sebi's already been through a lot. Even though he played me before, we fixed that. But not only that, someone else actually scammed Sebi for 2 of his Chroma Seers. So when no, that's not how this works. Lol. It's not how this works. You go first. You're looking really dumb right now, because he probably doesn't even know that I'm recording, even though I am. Just recording 15 minutes of him acting really dumb instead of just giving back the items he scammed. Which is what he should be really doing. When you join back, is on tape. Oh, my fans will find the alt. You don't have what it takes. All you are is talk, typical plus. No. You go first. Before anything gets taken down. I will once. I probably will. But in the meantime, it stays up. Just give me Sebi's stuff back.
Oye, encontré
He knows he's scammed. He knows he made a mistake.
Bueno, ¿qué sería? Y está aquí.
Para mí es que tiene ahorita.
Se corrió. ¿Cuántos niños tiene el teléfono en esto? ¿Pusiste?
Sí, es más.
Sorry guys, we're having a conversation. I'll be your you'll be my worst nightmare.
Beginner, ¿qué tiene?
Okay, pal.
7.074.
Come find me. You think I'm scared of you? You probably are. I love it. All you are is talk.
Ese chaqueta es tuyo. Mañana te pones chaqueta. ¿Qué más quieres?
You got no life, scammer. Just you're a scammer. That's what you are. Keep running your mouth. Fool. At this point, you're just embarrassing yourself. Typical plus. Alright guys, if he says any more dumb things, I'll just like take screenshots and make a separate video on it, because at this point, he's just cursing and making a fool of himself, which is really dumb, but yeah. Please share the video. Typical plus, you can't be doing that. Also, I linked his user in my other video if you guys want to find him. This is him. He's always in the trading servers. Even if he joins in an alt account, you guys know his stuff. It's literally right here. All the ×2 stuff is what he scammed for my friend. This was my friend's. This was Sebi's. This was definitely Sebi's. This was Sebi's, and a whole bunch of other stuff was Sebi's. So yeah, please share the video. He's a scammer. Okay. But yeah, share the video, please.
Yo